everyone, this is Joe with Speedway Motors, and we are here with our 54 to 56 Ford car and 55 to 57 Thunderbird dual reservoir master cylinder kit. Now, one of the first things that lots of us want to do when we get a 50s car is upgrade to front disc brakes. And Speedway Motors offers a kit for these cars that bolts on front disc brakes. Now we have a master cylinder kit to complement that. And obviously these cars came with a single reservoir master cylinder, which not only is it wrong for disc brakes, but it's also kind of dangerous because, of course, if you lose brakes, you drain the reservoir in the master cylinder and you're in trouble. A dual reservoir kit just by itself adds a safety factor by having a separate reservoir for the front and the rear brakes. This kit is a full bolt-on for these cars. It comes with all the brackets that you need. It comes with an OE-style proportioning valve that's preset for front disc rear drum. It comes with a 1-inch bore master cylinder, which is appropriate for a front disc rear drum. It comes with all of the hardware, AN lines, also a heat shield because on some of these cars, this is positioned pretty close to the exhaust manifold, so this stainless heat shield will help protect it. So if you're planning to drive your mid-50s Ford in modern traffic, a disc brake kit and this dual reservoir master cylinder kit are almost a must. There's lots more great brake information on the toolbox at speedwaymotors.com. Be sure to check it out, and thanks for watching.